Good afternoon. My name is David Walter Jaime Cedes. I'm a student of electronic engineering. I live in the Falcas. The question how does this company contribute our colors in the world? This is in either carbon company that, that very produce our matter destroying for the general of the fuels. The main sources is the pollution. And the questions what opinions and demands did you express in formal letters? What sent bulletin? And the demands was intensity controls and means for the compound emissions the agreement. You consider necessary the Chinese efforts on environmental green energy. Choose and pure alcohol or the sun electricity energy generated your sun panels. There will no future for people who are unbehaving use. I consider that news before aware of actions that happen towards influence. Thank you your most your attention and the people on the next times. Cheers, David Hayes.